Okay, so all of this different work holding here is set up for an industry standard 2-inch grid with 1/2-inch locator bushing. So we have some triag work holding here. This is made in Switzerland. We have some 5th axis work holding here, and then we have some AMROC dovetail vices. So we're going to show the foundation plate and how easy it is to mount a variety of this tooling. So we're going to use some standard 1/2-13 socketed cap screws along with some AMROC 1/2-inch shoulder bolts to locate these pieces of tooling. So traditionally you would use 2 of these on each piece, along with the rest just regular socketed cap screws just to hold the part down. brand tooling here that we talked about before, but you can see how easy it was to mount all of that to a standard 2-inch grid pattern. We also have things alphanumerically labeled here. So if you wanted to establish standard work offsets where you know that your operator is always going to put this rock lock base in this position on the 2-inch grid, then you can have that kind of memorized. Same thing with the rest of the tooling. If like the triag rail is always going to go here for a specific job, then you can just have it written down that you put it at the first bolt at AC. So this is going to add a tremendous amount of flexibility to the customer's machining center. This is set up for a Haas VF2.